False eyelashes can provide you with a gorgeous look when your regular mascara doesn't do the job quite well. But it is often a hassle to apply them, and you may end up creating a mess. So in today's video, we have rounded up the 5 best false eyelashes for beginners, which will make your eyelash application process a breeze. Let's check them out.
The Trendy Beauty team, consisting of skincare and beauty experts, presents the best suitable products for you based on testing, reviews, and recommendations. We research thoroughly for each category on ingredients, formulas, pricing, and feedbacks of users, so that you get the best products for your skincare, saving your time.
Achieve glammed up eyes just the way you desire with the Ardell Deluxe Pack 120 Lash Kit, which is a starter pack containing all the necessary items for making your lash application easier. The kit comes with 2 pairs of lashes that will provide you with medium volume and length. These lashes have a crisscross style with a feathered look. The flare lash style makes them shorter at the inner corner and longer at the outer corner, while the demi lash contains a slightly narrower band compared to regular strip lash style. The Invisiband feature indicates that the lash band is invisible, and the product also comes with a dual adhesive and a soft touch applicator for ease of use. The lashes will provide you with a comfortable wear while being easy to apply, so you can use them without worrying a bit. Users highly appreciate the Ardell Deluxe Pack 120 as it gives a great look and while the glue provides stunning hold. But some users didn't have a great experience with this product. Let's take a look at the ratings now. We give it 4 stars in case of user acceptance, but on other points it'll get 5 stars. Our next pick for today is the Eylure London Naturals number 03 Accent Lashes, and they are a great on-the-go option for novices. This pair of lightweight lashes is handmade and will provide your eyes with a natural look just the way you desire. The band is clear and invisible, so you can wear the lashes for a fuller look, and it also comes with a latex-free lash glue that will last for up to 18 hours. It's a perfect option for beginners, and no trimming is required to use these lashes. You can also reuse them for up to 5 times, and the product won't cause any irritation, allowing you easy and long-wearing outcomes. Users highly favor this product as it is easy to apply and provides a natural look while being lightweight, but as it goes, a few of them complain that the lashes are small in appearance. It's time to rate this product now. We gladly give it 5 stars when it comes to value and price, but when it comes to acceptance, it'll get 4 stars. Create beautiful and glamorous eyes with the Newcally False Eyelashes in Medium Cat Eye Natural Wispy style, which is our next recommended product for you. The package comes with 14 pairs of faux mink eyelashes that are made from premium synthetic fibers, and they will provide you with intense volume while being easy to apply. All the full strip lashes are handcrafted and the hair is increased gradually from the inner to outer corner for providing you with a charming cat eye look. The vegan lashes come with flexible thin cotton lash band, and they're hypoallergenic as well as free from chemical treatment. With proper care, the lashes are reusable for up to 15 times, and this cruelty-free product is soft and comfortable to wear as well. The Newcally False Eyelashes in Medium Cat Eye Natural Wispy style is admired by thousands of users as it comes in a perfect length and can be worn every day, but then again, some users didn't really like the product. Moving on to the ratings. We give it 5 stars when it comes to acceptance and price, but in case of value, it'll get 4 stars. When it comes to false lashes, nothing can beat the greatness provided by handcrafted ones. And to ensure that benefit, the Wleec Beauty Dramatic False Lashes in size 36 are handmade for your convenience. The box comes with 15 pairs of eyelashes that are soft and comfortable in nature. These lashes are made of quality synthetic fibers and they're flexible and lightweight, so you can apply them easily to complement your smoky or dark eyeshadow look. These easy-to-apply lashes are suitable for cosplay as well as parties and performances, and they will provide you with a natural look with the added convenience of being 100% handmade. These false eyelashes are loved by users as they are comfortable to wear and provide eyes with a dramatic look. But some users complain that the band was thick and stiff. Time to check out the ratings now. In terms of value and price, we easily give it 5 stars, but when it comes to acceptance, this product will get 4 stars. The Kiss Ever Easy Lashes in size 11 is our best pick for today's video as it comes just in the right size and shape to provide your eyes with a glamorous look. The kit comes with 5 pairs of eyelashes made from 100% human hair, and they are lightweight and reusable in nature. It also includes a lash applicator, which makes your application process easier, and the lashes provide length, volume, and definition for a better outlook. The product is contact lens friendly and it blends with your natural lashes seamlessly. It's a cruelty-free product which is a perfect option for beginners, and you will get salon quality professional results with the help of these lashes in no time. Users are in love with the product as it is easy to apply and holds on for a long time. But a few of them were still disappointed with their purchase. Let's rate this product now. We absolutely appreciated the quality and affordability of these false lashes, so overall it'll get 5 out of 5 stars. So that was all about the 5 best false eyelashes for beginners. Thanks for watching our video. If you liked the video, then hit like and share it with your friends. Comment below to let us know your thoughts. Consider subscribing to the channel if you love our videos, and press the bell icon to get notified of our future videos.